Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text spacing on your Canva DOS on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to create a text spacing on your Canva DOS on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to type some text here, text shortcut like that. So I just need to make a space for the shortcut. So first of all, if you just need to select whole text, you can just select it and you can make it space. Or I just need a particular word, I just can select that. So after that, you just need to swipe. You can see the toolbar on the bottom toolbar, just swipe here and you just need to come near this tool. This tool helps you change the text spacing. Now here you have this option called letter spacing. It's a text spacing. So you can just change the text spacing or letter spacing like that, and you can just make it up to like this much. Or if you just want a short thing, you can just short it like this. So you can just create a more text spacing or a little text spacing by using this particular option. This is how you just create a text or letter spacing on your Canva DOS on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.